Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in again, and if you are new here, welcome to you guys as well. Thank you for tuning in. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, go right ahead now and click that subscribe button down below. And also, if you do like the video at the end, don't forget to give me a huge thumbs up. It really does help. So it is that time of the month again for me to do my Birchbox unboxing. So if you are interested in that, then stay tuned. So my May Birchbox actually came to me quite early this month. It was delivered to me by the 5th, which is just amazing. But unfortunately I had a busy bank holiday weekend, so wasn't able to film, which is why I'm just doing it now. I have to say, I'm not overly impressed with this month's Birchbox. The box design is lovely. So that's the box design there. Really stylish. Really in print at the moment of like this really nice leaf on a very pale pink background, and as always it's the slidey drawer type, but it's the products inside. Yeah, they just didn't tickle my pickle really. So this is this month's caption. So it's palm leaves and warm breeze. So I'm guessing it's to do with obviously the start of summer and what have you, and then obviously inside this here is just a blurb about all of the products. So let's get into this. So the first product that I've pulled out is this Marcel New Age Precision 8-in-1 Power Serum. It's so small, it's absolutely tiny. There are no full-size products in this month's box either. The Marcel New Age Precision 8-in-1 Power Serum. This says, the lightweight gel boasts a magnitude of skincare benefits in one handy tube. A great prep step for your makeup. It reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, firms and lifts your skin, and creates a smooth, radiant complexion. It does all this without parabens, gluten, or added fragrance. So I have lately been trying out some different eye serums. My favourite one at the moment is the Nip and Fab Bee Sting one. Really, really good. But yeah, I'm excited to give this a try. So obviously this is just a sample size, and the RRP price for this is £27, so not too bad. So this is the next product that I've pulled out, and it is a Botanical Body Wash by Green Frog in the scent Geranium and Peppermint. That's a really strange scent combination, isn't it? I'm going to have a smell of this. I personally am not a fan of that. It reminds me of my nan. Sorry, Nan. You guys might love this. So this is with revitalizing organic aloe vera as well. Plant-based, using organic soap berries sourced from the Himalayas. Ooh, fancy. So the blurb about this says, it's not just the brand name that's green. This organic formula is cruelty-free. Great, we like that. Vegan and completely free from chemical nasties. Brimming with moisturizing aloe vera and saponin-rich soap berries, this gentle wash cleanses your skin while maintaining pH levels. It's great for sensitive skin, eczema and psoriasis. Really good. So for you guys who have sensitive skin out there, this is a really, really good soap alternative for you. So seeing as I don't have sensitive skin, I'm not prone to eczema or anything like that, I think this is probably what's going to be going in the giveaway. The RRP price for this is £8.95, and of course this is just a sample size too. So next product is this Ico Skinny Liquid Eyeliner. Again, this is just a sample size, and the RRP price is £16, but this has a 4+ star review on the Birchbox shop. So I'll give this a quick little swatch for you guys. Oh, it does look quite fine. Ooh, that's very black. That is like black, black. Now, I've tried a few of these sorts of eyeliners in the past and I don't get on very, very well with them. But I will give this one a try, just because it's had such good reviews. Yeah, isn't really much I can say about that, but the blurb says, whether you're a newbie or a winged eyeliner pro, this easy to use pen style applicator will have you lining and defining your eyes in a flash. Use a tip to draw a few dots as close to your upper lashes as possible. Then simply connect the dots for a goof-proof line. I love that, goof-proof. The fade-resistant formula will last all day and night. Okay, so it says that this has got a long-lasting formula, so I will definitely be doing a wear test with this, as well as how easy it is to actually use. Okay, so this is the next product that I'm pulling out, which is a Luscious lip stain in Amber Rose. But this is by the brand, I've not heard of them before, and I think you pronounce it as Juice or Deuce, something like that. As you can see, again, this is a very tiny sample. I'm just kind of hoping that it goes a long way. This says, wave goodbye to lipstick touch-ups. This pigmented liquid formula applies matte, dries fast, so it won't transfer onto anything, and lasts for hours. Even better, unlike other matte lip products, this long-lasting formula glides on smoothly for comfortable all-day wear. I find that hard to believe because all matte lipsticks eventually dry out and yeah, they're not moisturising at all on your lips. Especially not for me anyway. So like I said, this is in the shade Amber Rose, which is quite a good colour for me, I think. And the RRP price for this is £21. I think I'm going to put this on now and have a go. This is really close, isn't it? Right, so just normal everyday wand. I like the colour. So I like the colour of that. I think that's quite nice. It goes really nice with the look that I've got on today, I think. Yeah. Trying to think whether that feels moisturising or not. It doesn't feel moisturising to me. To me, this just feels like a normal matte lip stain. It's been on for a couple of minutes. Should we see if it's kiss proof? Mwah! That's good. Good. Dries very, very fast. And if I'm honest, it doesn't feel like I've got anything on my lips. I'm impressed. Very, very impressed. And the final product in my May box was this. So this is Native Unearthed Activated Charcoal Natural Deodorant Balm. It would be really, really nice to be able to just put a balm on in the morning and just not have to worry about sweat marks, odours, anything like that, or having to carry around a big deodorant can. Yeah, really, really excited to give this a try. It has like sort of a pepperminty sort of smell to it. I would say this is actually quite a decent sized pot as well for a sample size. Just looking at it, I'm like, oh yeah, that's really good. However, when you open it and look inside, I don't know if you can see, it's not even half full, which is just a joke really, isn't it? I mean, if you're gonna give me a sample and the pot's gonna be that big, at least fill it. So the blurb about this says, who said you had to rely on harsh chemicals to keep unwanted odours at bay? This all-natural cream forgoes chemicals in favour of sweet-absorbing arrowroot, antibacterial coconut oil, I love coconut oil, and soothing shea butter. Just smooth a pea-sized amount onto clean underarms to form an invisible shield. Simple. So yeah, this has also got a 4+ star review in the Birchbox shop, which is fantastic, which means that it probably will work and it's a really good product. this is just a sample size, but the RRP price for this is only $7.99. And if you only need a pea-sized amount for each armpit every morning, then that's going to last you a long, long time. So there we have it then, peeps. That was everything that I received in my May 2018 Birchbox. Thank you so much for watching my video yet again. If you did really like this, like I said at the beginning, don't forget to leave me a huge thumbs up because it really does help. Also, if you haven't subscribed already, then go ahead, because at the end of the year, I am going to be doing a huge Birchbox giveaway. If you want to know the details for that and what's going to be included in the giveaway, then check the description down below. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I really appreciate all of your support. And as always, take care, stay safe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!